Hi there guys, Jason here from Blackpool Automart, down here on Disley Close between our Honda Superbike Centre there and our Blackpool Seat dealership. Across the road you'll find our Honda flagship dealership, our on-site MOT and servicing bays, and over there in the corner you come across our paint and body clinic and our on-site valeting team. Upon purchase of any vehicle here at Blackpool Automart, you'll receive a full service and a full premium valet. This afternoon I am bringing you this stunning looking 2019 on that 19 plate BMW X3. It's a 2 litre 20D xLine auto xDrive. We're sitting on 13,644 genuine miles, and it comes in that stunning Alpine non-metallic white. It's a diesel automatic and features £1,840 worth of optional extras. This car runs on run flat tyres on those 19-inch Ferric grey light spoke Y alloy wheels. Comes with those parking sensors to the front and rear, a parking camera to the rear. It's the connected package, ambient lighting package, start stop comfort go keyless engine start feature, automatic tailgate. Interior is a stunning Vernasca leather in black. We've got cruise control, navigation, acoustic, sun protection glazing, and that dual zone air conditioning. So guys, as you can see, walking around the vehicle, it looks incredible. Well kept over the last 3 years. And we'll head into the rear of the car here, and we'll show you that reversing camera. And as we open the auto tailgate, it can be accessed via the key as well. So if you're walking towards the car, you hold the button down on the key and it will open the boot. We come across that very spacious interior. We'll put the retractable screen back there and we'll show you. We've got a bit of storage space and a bit more luggage space there. Tethering points in the car. Got a little space there for a med kit. Little space there for anything you want. And we've got your 12-volt power supply to the rear. You've got your 40-20-40 folding back seats. And we'll put that retractable visor back and press the button, down the boot comes. We'll head inside now to the back of the car. We'll look at that gorgeous Vernasca black interior with your piano black inserts, your X branded chrome inserts there as well. You can see the white stitching through the door cards and throughout the car. Right. Got your Isofix anchor points, fold down armrest for the rear users with cup holders. Aircon control unit at the back for the rear users there. And as you can see, the car does feature ambient lighting. Guys, heading into the front of the vehicle now. That Vernasca leather follows all the way through with the piano black and the X branding. You've got your electric windows and door mirrors to the door card. Boot operation there. Jumping into the car, we can see that it's a automatic. And you do have your different drive modes there. Traction control, parking sensors, cruise control with hill start, electronic parking brake, a large amount of storage. Just looking around the car, it looks stunning. Just going to pop the car on, push button start here. We can see it comes with heated seats, dual zone air conditioning, CD player there for you, traffic alerts, And now we head in to your menu. Got your media and radio selection there with full DAB FM radio, telephone connectivity, navigation. Head down to the map to show you the full screen map there. We head back, connected drive, got your my vehicle, into your vehicle status, and we'll come across your service requirements. All okay, service history there for you in full, 2019 to 2022. And if we then bring ourselves over to this impeccable looking steering wheel, multifunctional, your paddle shifters, your menu controls for your screens here, 13,644 genuine miles. We mentioned a reversing camera, so we put the car into reverse, you can see the full colour reversing camera with those parking guidelines. So guys, as you can agree, the car is in spectacular condition. Comes with full service history. If you have any questions about the vehicle, give us a call here at Blackpool Automart. If you'd like to reserve the vehicle, you can do this online or over the phone. It is £100 to reserve the vehicle, and it is fully refundable if you choose not to go ahead with the sale. If you have any questions about financing the vehicle, we are available here to run you through those options. Have another look around, guys. See you next time.